Hello, friends. Welcome to episode 2 of my Ghibli jewellery mini-series. The Secret World of Arrietty is one of the rare movies that I watch with the same delight each time. And when I was a child, I used to make tiny paper characters and build tiny rooms with furniture to go with them. So, for me, watching this Ghibli movie is simply having the delight to see on screen what I used to imagine in my head, and it feels magical. The Secret World of Arrietty is actually not an original Studio Ghibli scenario, and just like When Marnie Was There or Howl's Moving Castle, it has been inspired by a book. Mary Norton is the author of The Borrowers, and Hayao Miyazaki had been wanting to adapt this book for nearly 40 years at the time. Miyazaki loathes consumer society, and he said, while talking about why he wanted to make the movie, that, I quote, "The situation of the borrowers is very pleasant. They just fit into our present day. The age of mass consumption is now coming to an end, and the idea of borrowing proves the advent of it with the crisis." Even though he did not direct the movie, Miyazaki wrote the screenplay, and what I believe is yet another trait of his incredible persona is that he wrote it from his 40-year-old memories without even rereading the novel. This aspect can explain why certain details in the animated movie received more emphasis than in the book, such as for gardens that are so dear to his heart. Now, I have a cute anecdote about the film score. At the time, while the movie was being created, Studio Ghibli received a fan letter. But it was not any fan letter. It was a handwritten one, which caught the attention of the producer. He decided to listen to the album slipped inside the envelope and got captivated by the voice and the sound of the harp. And this is how the French singer and songwriter Cécile Corbel got to create some of the movie's soundtrack. Well, friends, please tell me in the comments which Ghibli earring you would like to see next. Thank you so much for staying with me. I hope you enjoyed this little video and I will see you very soon. Sweet kisses!